Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Dira Marcella with MPM 244-12012 from Study Program Accounting. And today, in this video, I'm going to talk about business process in accounting information system. I'll explain it in a simple and relaxed way so it's easy to understand and natural to present. Okay, first, what is a business process? A business process is basically a series of steps or activities that a company does to achieve a goal. For example, selling products, purchasing materials, or paying employees. So, it's like a workflow from the beginning of an activity until it's complete. In AIS, business processes are very important because they show how data flows through the system. Now, generally, there are several main business processes in AIS. Let's go through them one by one. First, the revenue cycle. This is the process of selling goods or service to customers and receiving payment. It starts from receiving a customer order, then delivering the product, sending an invoice, and finally receiving cash. So, for example, when a customer buys something, the system records the sale, updates inventory, and tracks whether the customer has paid or not. This helps the company manage its income properly. Second, the expenditure cycle. This is the process of purchasing goods or service and paying for them. It starts from ordering materials, receiving them, and then paying the supplier. AIS helps record all these activities so the company knows how much they owe, when to pay, and how much inventory they have. This is important to avoid late payments or overbuying. Third, the production cycle. This is the process of converting raw materials into finished goods. It includes planning production using materials and tracking production costs. AIS helps monitoring how much material is used, how much it costs, and how efficient the production process is. So, managers can control costs and improve productivity. Fourth, the human resource or payroll cycle. This process is related to employees. It includes hiring, recording working hours, calculating salaries, and paying employees. AIS helps ensure that employees are paid correctly and on time. It also stores employee data, which is useful for management. Fifth, the financing cycle. This is related to how a company gets and manages its funds. For example, issuing shares, borrowing money, or repaying loans. AIS records all financial transactions related to funding so the company can track its financial position accurately. Now, why are business processes important in AIS? Because they help ensure that every transaction is recorded properly, data flows smoothly, and information is accurate. If a business process is messy or unclear, it can lead to errors, fraud, or wrong decision. Also, with a good AIS, business process become more efficient, faster, and more organized. Everything is connected, so managers can easily monitoring what's happening in the company. So, the main idea is business processes are the backbone of AIS. They show how activities are carried out and how information moves within the system. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.